How to manage your money so you never go broke. Simple, clear steps for financial stability. Introduction. Many people live paycheck to paycheck. This guide shows how to break that cycle. Learn practical steps to build financial stability. Step 1. Get out of paycheck to paycheck. Life living from one paycheck to the next can make you feel stuck. The goal. Build habits that secure a steady financial future. Here's how to start taking control. Confront your financial reality. The first most crucial action is to understand exactly where your money's going. For 1 month, track every single expense. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. This isn't about judging your past spending. It's about gathering data to make informed decisions for your future. You might be surprised to see how much small daily purchases add up. Create a zero-based budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money. A zero-based budget is particularly effective. Give every single dollar of your income a specific job before the month begins. Your income minus all your expenses, bills, savings, debt payments, spending money, should equal zero. This forces you to be intentional with every dollar and eliminates mindless spending. Separate needs from wants. Scrutinize your tracked expenses and categorize them. Needs: housing, utilities, essential transportation, groceries, insurance. Wants: subscriptions you don't use, daily coffee shop visits, frequent dining out, impulse buys. This exercise helps you identify areas where you can realistically cut back without feeling deprived. Start by trimming or eliminating one or two want categories to free up cash. Build a starter emergency fund. This is your escape hatch from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. An unexpected car repair or medical bill is what typically throws a budget into chaos, forcing you into debt. Your initial goal: save a small, achievable amount as quickly as possible, like $500 or $1,000. Put this money in a separate savings account that you don't touch for anything other than a true emergency. This small buffer provides immediate breathing room. Automate your savings. Make saving a non-negotiable expense. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account the day you get paid. Even if you start with a small amount, like $25 per paycheck, the key is to pay yourself first. Before you have a chance to step 2, build your own source of income. Don't rely on just a job for income. Explore side hustles or passive income streams. Diversifying income helps you grow financially. Why multiple income sources matter. Job changes or emergencies can happen suddenly. Extra income gives peace of mind and financial safety. It gives you more control over your life. Step 3. Achieve financial longevity. Financial longevity means long-term stability and security. It helps you cover needs, plan for the future, and build wealth. Simple money management formula. Stop depending only on your paycheck. Create multiple income flows. Focus on long-term financial health. Putting it all together: 1. Acknowledge the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. 2. Find or create additional income sources. 3. Plan for long-term financial health. 4. Stay consistent. Small steps lead to big results. Who this helps: anyone feeling stuck between paychecks, people who want more control over their money, anyone aiming for financial security and peace of mind. Summary. Key takeaways. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Build multiple income paths beyond your main job. Focus on long-term financial health. Consistency is the key to success. Next steps you can take: track your spending. Know where each naira goes. Brainstorm side income ideas you can start now. Set a small, reachable financial goal. Review progress each week. Adjust as needed. Final thoughts. Financial freedom starts with small but thoughtful choices. Every extra naira earned or saved builds a safer future. You don't need to be rich to be financially secure. Just intentional. A trusted opportunity: Carlyle Africa. At Carlyle Africa, your money can work for you. It is a platform built on trust, vision, and growth. You will get a 50% profits every single month without stress when you join Carlyle Africa. Join a community of people taking control of their future. Visit www.carlyleafrica.xyz to get started. Thank you for your time. Questions? Let's talk.